Let's spend a couple minutes checking out the fingerprint sensor on the Alcatel 7, as there are a few features that are hidden below the surface. Here we go! The best way to check out these hidden features is by first setting up a fingerprint. So let's do that now. Open Settings and select Security and Location. Scroll down the page and find Fingerprint and click that. Go ahead and select Continue to acknowledge the disclaimer. If you've already set up a PIN, pattern, or password, you'll be asked to enter that here. If you have no unlock method currently, you will need to set that up now. For this example, we will assume you have not, so you can see the steps to create a fallback unlock method. As soon as you get through the backup unlock setup, you will be asked to begin placing any one finger on the scanner found on the back of the device. Move your finger around slightly to get different parts of the print by lifting and pressing down repeatedly until the confirmation appears that your fingerprint was added. Then click Done. You'll be taken back to the Security and Location page, where you will want to select Fingerprint again in order to get to the hidden features. Input the PIN, pattern, or password you just created and you will see a new menu of options. First and foremost, you can set up 1 to 5 fingerprints for the device, and each one can have a different function once it's been programmed. We recommend setting up at least 2 different fingerprints, so you have a variety of tasks or apps you can shortcut to at any given time. Once you have set up a couple fingerprints, tap the slider next to Quick Launch Function Shortcuts. By turning that feature on, you will now be able to choose what function or shortcut you want for each fingerprint you've registered. Click the Settings button next to any fingerprint in the menu. You will be taken to a list of Quick Launch Function shortcuts for things you probably use on a regular basis. Each fingerprint may be assigned one function or shortcut at any given time. Perhaps you want your pointer finger to unlock the device, but you want your ring finger to make a call. Well, now you can do that. If you scroll down to the bottom of the list, you will see something called a trigger application, which when selected will open a list of all the apps in your app tray. If there is an app you use frequently, then you can assign it to any of your fingerprints as a shortcut. One last thing worth mentioning is that no matter if you have the fingerprint sensor set up or not, you can tap on the sensor with any finger while inside the camera application to snap photos and start and stop video recordings. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from Alcatel.